Welcome back! Hi everyone, welcome back to another one of our tutorial. This time we're going to do some more yoga. So, for this one we have our yoga poster with all the yoga poses you can do, and well, the kids are going to randomly choose what pose they will do. So, let's place the poster on the floor and let's have one kid throw a coin, see where it lands. Can I play? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Here's the coin. Now, wait. Every time we throw the coin in the air, we're going to say, throw the coin. Throw the coin. Okay. Throw the coin. Oh! Now we say like this. I want them to use TPR. Remember, total physical response. So, to get them to do it, hands up. Only here. Hands up! Hands up! Hands down! Hands down! Now we're going to say again!
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 Throw up! Oh, it's fine!
Oh! The swan!
So, let's get our students to say, let's do the swan!
Let's do the swan!
How do we do the swan? Look! Okay, let's try that. Let's try it. Okay. So the swan. So on the floor and your feet behind. It's really hard. Okay. Anyone? It's a swan.
It's a swan.
Nice. Good job. I am the most flexible person on the planet, so it's not the easiest thing. Okay. Now that was option one. Another option is let's ditch the coin and let's blindfold a student. Who wants to play?
Can I play?
Yes, you can. So, Coco, we'll blindfold Coco, and when we say go, Coco, go, Coco. Okay.
Go, Coco, go, Coco.
And it sounds good too. You're gonna point and find something, okay? Let's blindfold Coco. She can't see. Okay, so remember, go Coco, go Coco.
Go, Coco, go, Coco.
Point and okay. Let's remove the blindfold.
It's the mouse.
Let's do the mouse.
Let's do the mouse.
Ooh, the mouse is like this. Okay. So, head against the floor and arms on your side.
Oh, that's very effective, actually.
Yeah.
It's good for your back. You should try it. Well,
It's
a mouse. It's a mouse. It's a mouse. I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Have a nice yoga.
Yeah.